Model 2006 Volkswagen Caddy 69Ps 2.0 Sdi needs clutch. Nice body kit. Spares. Repair. Body white panel. Van mileage 176,072. Engine 1968 cc 1.9 Sdi 69E4A transmission 5-speed manual front wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, runs perfect, needs clutch replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Fitted with a nice body kit, slightly lowered and with some nice alloy wheels. Features: 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,